You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is selling at 20.2k level, and on the 4-hour chart, I talk about market retracing. Market move a little bit to 21k. I talk about that, and market retrace right here, and also on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart as well. I said market is going to retrace between this level and this level of 1,500. Market go a little bit higher and then come back down. What are we expecting right now? Is the market going to move up from where the market is right here to the upside on ETH and also on BTC? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the 1-day chart BTC, I said don't take a trade after the formation of this very bullish candle on this breakout. Reason why: market has moved from this very point after this little rejection to the upside, so it has moved significantly. Not only that, if you look at it very well, on this very area of resistance is a strong resistance, which means market have capacity to be resisted from this very zone, and it will be wise for you to take a long or buy position after the close of this very bullish candle, and that you should wait because market is going to react back down. And we are seeing this reaction right here. What I am expecting is the market coming back down and then moving to the upside. Now this movement to the upside will not be that significant, okay, before we will see the market drop back down again before the next continuation to the upside. So what you should be paying attention to right now is a little move to the downside, then market is going to move up again in the market on the 1-day chart. On the 4-hour chart right here, I said market is going to retrace between this level of 2200 and 21k, and exact same thing, market retrace. You can watch that video to be very precise about what I just said now. And right now, market retrace. What are we expecting? Is market going to from here move to the upside? What I am expecting right now, pay attention, is the market to go a little bit lower from where it is right now. I'm expecting the market to still move down in this retracement formation, and then from this area of 19,700 to this very area is where we're going to see retracement. So from 20k to 19,700 right here, we're going to see retracement end before the continuation of the next move. So expect this retracement to still come back down into this area, to be very, very precise, between the 20k and 19.7k level. This is where I'm expecting the retracement to end before continuation to the upside for the next move. So in your first target after you enter this trade at the end of retracement is this very area of 2800. Very, very important. And on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart, you see the market at this very point. Are we going to see the market move up? I am not expecting the market to move up from here, and even the market move up, I will not take any trade because this market will surely come back to the downside. I'm expecting the market to still come back down into this level of 1,450 to 1,400 at this very area. This is where I'm expecting this trend to end. So once the market come into this level, I am going to be looking for buy opportunity for the market to move to the upside. So expect this retracement to still come back down. That is the message for today. Expect this retracement to still come back down before continuation. That means even though you see a market move up, don't enter that trade. That will be a fake move, okay? Because market will definitely come back to the downside. So expect the market to come back down from this area into this level of 1,450 to this area of 1,400. This is where I am expecting retracement to end before continuation to the upside. And your first target is this very area of 1,560, okay? This is what I am paying attention to right now. What are you looking after on the ETH chart? Do you think this market is going to from here fly to the upside? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. We are organizing an intensive cryptocurrency training for beginners traders, and the link is in the description of this very video. Join right now, and the training is tomorrow, Saturday 29th of October 2022. It is a free training. It's completely free. And if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, check the description of this video. See a link, click on the link and register right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.